Hello everybody and my dear viewers, this is Deepak Jain here in English Mania and today this is going to be one-on-one session. अच्छा one-on-one session का मतलब क्या है? ये सेपरेट सेशन है. बाकी सारे बच्चे कहाँ बैठे हैं?
बाहर.
बाहर, राइट?
Yes.
सिर्फ तुमको अंदर बुलाया गया है यहाँ, है ना? ये वन-on-one सेशन है.
Yes.
इंटरव्यूज में भी ऐसी होगा तुम्हारे.
Okay.
है ना? सारे बच्चे होंगे
Yes.
बाहर जो इंटरव्यू देने आए होंगे.
Yes.
हालांकि अभी तुम इंटरव्यू देने नहीं जा रहे हो.
Yes.
राइट? तो लेकिन वहां पे ऐसे ही होगा.
Okay.
तुम अकेले अंदर आओगे कैबिन में.
Yes.
राइट? ओके. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारा वन ऑन वन सेशन है ये एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टच सम टॉपिक्स एंड यू हैव टू आंसर माय क्वेश्चन.
Okay.
एंड यू हैव टू स्पीक ऑन द टॉपिक्स.
Okay.
ओके. So right now I am going to give you a topic and the topic is I want you to speak on media.
So, I want to speak on media. So, firstly, I want to tell you that what is media. So, according to me, media is a medium by which we get to know the news and the current affairs. So, according to me, this is media. And there are three types of media. So, the first type of media is electronic media, and the second is print media, and the third is social media. So if I talk about the advantage and disadvantages of media, so firstly I would like to talk about the advantages. So there are many kind of advantages of media. By the media we get to know the current affairs and news, as I told you in the definition of media. And by media we can do our enjoyment. For example, social media. There are many types of apps in social media. For example, YouTube, Google, Facebook, etc. And electronic media means TV. So we can gain some knowledge from TV and radio. So according to me, it is also very beneficial for us, social media and all the media. So if I talk about some disadvantages, so media doesn't contain only advantages, it also contains some disadvantages according to me. So the first disadvantage that I notice in my point of view is, let me give you an example. Sometimes media interferes in our personal life. I am sorry,
How can you say that it interferes?
Yeah.
How can you say it interferes in your personal life?
Yeah, not my, but if suppose any big person is there, let me give you an example. For example, an celebrity is there and RPM is there. So media interferes in their life. So if
How can you see? Where did you see that?
So suppose if an actor is there, okay, he is going to gym, then media will firstly come. And if anything takes place, suppose in the case of police even, if any murder takes place, then firstly media will come. So according to me, that is not good. Media should
Why
know.
is it not good? Because it is the core job. Core job.
Yes.
The basic job of media.
I agree with you that it is the basic job of media. It is the work of media to gain knowledge and to make news. Okay, but sometimes the person can be disturbed also because of this. Suppose a celebrity is going somewhere, then media will come, and if a celebrity is even eating something, then media will come and say that why are you eating this and why are you doing this. So according to me, that is not good.
Okay, that is the problem.
Yeah, that can be the problem.
What are the disadvantages of social media?
Yeah, so as I give you the example of the disadvantages of media, so if I talk about the disadvantages of social media, so there are many kind of disadvantages of social media. So as I told you in the advantages that we can gain some knowledge because of social media, but according to me, sometimes children can get extra knowledge on social media. So according to me, that can be the biggest disadvantage.
What do you mean by extra knowledge?
Extra knowledge means it can be anything.
Okay, but knowledge is always good.
No, knowledge is always good, but extra knowledge is not good. They can misuse of their knowledge. For example, they got to know something about religion and that is not truth. Okay, then might be the case, it can be the crux of problem. Sometimes extra knowledge can be the crux of problem according to me.
Okay, as you spoke about religion.
Yes.
Right? So if I ask you that what is religion? Religion की हिंदी पता है तुम्हें?
Yes.
क्या होती है?
Although the Hindi of religion is dharam, but according to me the definition of religion is not Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. So according to me, we can define religion like truth and गुडनेस. रिलीजन का मतलब ये तो धर्म है, ये हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई नहीं होना चाहिए. ये सच्चाई और अच्छाई से बनता है एक धर्म. अगर किसी धर्म में सच्चाई अच्छाई नहीं होगी तो वो किस बात का धर्म हो जाएगा. और
on what basis can you say that it should be on the basis of ट्रूथफुलनेस और द गुडनेस, यानी कि सच्चाई और अच्छाई. So what do you mean by this?
So I mean by this that if goodness and truthfulness will not be there, then which kind of religion is this? अगर धर्म में truthfulness और goodness, अच्छाई नहीं होगी, तो ये धर्म किस बात का? तो हम इसे अधर्म कह सकते हैं.
Right.
Yeah.
So overall, are there benefits of religion or the disadvantages more?
So both things are equal according to me.
How can you say that?
So firstly, I would like to talk about the advantages. So firstly, there is a fear because of religion, and I don't know is it true?
There is fear.
Yeah, fear.
यानी religion जो है वो fear create करता है.
Yeah.
ये तुम कहना चाहते हो.
हाँ.
Okay.
So according to me, although I don't know is it truth or myth, I don't know, but this fear is very good for sometimes, because although it is not good, it is known as then superstitions if it is not truth. But
अभी आपने शब्द यूज किया superstition.
yes,
Superstition की हिंदी क्या होती है?
अंधविश्वास.
अंधविश्वास.
Yes.
So you mean to say कि वहाँ पे religion के अंदर एक अंधविश्वास
Yeah.
होता है.
But according to me, sometimes this andhvishwas or superstition can be good for us,
Okay.
because it happened with me.
How can the superstition be good, and in what case is it bad?
So according to me, although it is bad, I will tell you later. But firstly, I want to talk about advantages. So as you know, in religion, there are many kind of superstitions. According to me, so one superstition is that we should. I don't know it's a superstition or truth, but according to me, it is a superstition that we should not do misdeeds. Okay, and this superstition is very good.
We should not do misdeeds.
Misdeeds,
Misdeeds की हिंदी बताओ पहले.
बुरे कर्म.
बुरे कर्म. Okay.
Yeah, so suppose a person is there, okay, and he is going to rape a girl. Suppose it comes in misdeed, but then the thing that will stop that person is only religion, because it causes fear in the person's mind, and because of it, this fear.
If a person is going to commit rape,
Yeah.
then it is the only religion that can stop a person.
Yeah, not religion, but
Because religion,
this kind of thought can come in the human mind.
That's what I am saying, na? That
Yes.
you said that.
Yes.
That religion creates a kind of a fear.
Yes.
And the fear can stop the person.
Yes.
Right. Is it because of law of karma?
Yes,
Okay.
you can
So
say that.
Do you believe in the law of karma? It means when the things come back to you. मतलब मैंने कुछ गलत किया तो
Yeah.
सब गलत होगा ही होगा.
Yeah.
So do you believe in this?
So although till now I have not believed this in a very big scale,
मतलब
because
you didn't experience.
yeah, I have not experienced.
But somehow do you believe or don't you?
So according to the experiences of other people, I believe, because I have heard this law of karma is there.
Okay. From other people.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, Mr. Vidit.
Yeah.
If I ask you to speak about reservation,
Yes.
would you be able to speak?
Yeah, I will be able
पहले
to speak.
reservation की हिंदी बताओ.
वो 1 second, let me remember.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
आरक्षण.
Yeah, आरक्षण.
Okay. So
Yeah.
do you know something about
Yeah.
आरक्षण, reservation?
Yeah. Yes.
Then please tell me.
So firstly, I want to talk about what is
Mind your
reservation.
hand, right?
Okay, so firstly I want to tell you that what is reservation. So reservation means to reserve something. For example, in the hotel, in the theater, suppose you book a seat, okay, then you can also say that I have reserved a seat for me. And same case in the exams. Here I am not talking about the exams of 5th and 6th. Here I am talking about the exams of big level. For example, UPSC, the exams of IS, I am talking about them. So as you know, there are many kind of caste, and it is because of religion. So in this caste में low caste is there, medium caste is there, and high class is there. Okay,
General.
yeah, general, medium, not so OBC and SC ST.
right.
So general caste, if I talk about general caste, then Pandit comes in general caste according to me. Pandit comes in general caste. Okay, and about OBSC and SC ST, yeah, OBC and SC ST, I don't have knowledge, but I know that a person who is OBC, so he will have to face humiliation. Okay,
ST has
yeah,
to face
yeah, okay,
humiliation.
yeah. And if I talk
humiliation की हिंदी बताओ पहले.
बेइज्जती,
बेइज्जती, right?
yeah,
Okay.
insult. So if I talk about the history of reservation, that how did it take place in our India? So who talked about, not sorry, who talked, like who made this reservation? So the creator of reservation is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Now I am going to tell you an incident that took place with Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So as you know, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was not from general caste. He was also from, I think, SC/ST caste. Okay, and one day Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was going to the school. Okay, I am telling an incident that took place with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, and suddenly a person comes, okay, and the person saw that this is very small child and he has to go to school. So the person thought of giving lift to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay, and when they were going, then suddenly the person asked the name of his father. Okay, and the moment the Bhimrao Ambedkar told the name of his father, then
In the caste.
yeah, in the caste, then that person burst into tears. Okay, the person was very angry and he said that please go out, I will not let you sit on my bike. Okay, because he was from
It
low
was not a
caste.
bike. Is it a bike or bullock cart?
Yeah, bullet cart it was. Okay, it was
उस
transport.
जमाने में होती थी बैलगाड़ी.
Yeah, बैलगाड़ी. I will not allow you to sit on my bullet cart. Okay, so after this incident, Bhimrao Ambedkar was shocked. Okay, because they were very small and they didn't have the.
He was.
Yeah, he was very small and he didn't have the knowledge of casteism. But when this humiliation take place, okay,
place.
yeah, took place in India. Okay, so if I talk about the another history of reservation, so with the normal people earlier, you know that humiliation used to take place. Even if a low caste person.
Was it good to humiliate people by the name of caste?
No, it is absolutely wrong.
It was absolutely.
Yeah, and even if a person used to hold the mantras, a low caste person, okay, SC/ST, then you know that what used to take place with that person, they will melt that glass and they will put this melt glass in the ear of that person.
Okay.
So you can think that it was very painful. Even they are not able to see the single line of mantras. Otherwise they will put glass in their eyes. So you can even think that which kind of humiliation it was. Okay, and because of this humiliation,
Overall, this reservation good or bad?
so according to me, sometimes it can be bad also and sometimes it can be good also. Now I want to come on the advantages and disadvantages of reservation. So according to me, there is only one disadvantage of reservation.
One disadvantage.
Yeah, according to my point of view. Okay, so a person can misuse reservation. A person can be dependent on reservation. Suppose the paper of 100 marks is there, okay, and the person know that I will get the reservation of 30 marks. Then the person will learn, or the person will learn the marks of only 60.
It means he will mitigate the hard work.
Yeah,
है ना? He will just do.
because he know if I will do this, still I will get reservation. Okay, but if I talk about the advantage of reservation, so there is an advantage of religion. Okay, when this humiliation used to take place, then you know that if someone will humiliate you, then you will be sad. Then the low caste or the SC/ST caste person or people started demanding that we want freedom and we want separate country like Bangladesh and Pakistan. Okay,
Right.
and the demand was very high.
You mean to say if they were not given reservation?
Yes.
यानी कि अगर reservation उनको नहीं दिया गया होता, तो they could have demanded for other nations.
Yes.
Right, like Pakistan,
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
So एक दलितिस्तान type का कुछ
Yeah.
बन जाता, है ना?
Yeah,
Like
and according to me, if once again India will be divided, then it will directly harm on India's GDP.
Right.
So that is the
So a country should not be divided.
Yes.
Right. So that reservation is better than the division.
yes,
That's what you think.
yes.
Right.
But we can't deny the point of misusing of reservation.
Right.
So according to me, in both the conditions, advantages and disadvantages are there. But
Okay, one more thing I want to know.
Yes.
Many people say that there is corruption
Yeah.
in the country.
yeah,
So first of all, do you know what is corruption?
yeah. So Bhrashtachar, the Hindi meaning.
Bhrashtachar. Right?
Yeah.
So what do you mean by this Bhrashtachar?
So Bhrashtachar, firstly let me give you an example. Okay, from an example you can understand that what is Bhrashtachar and reservation. Okay,
Corruption.
yeah,
Corruption,
sorry,
right.
corruption. Okay, Suppose, let me give you an example. So suppose you are going from your car, okay, and suddenly a policeman,
Car or buy your
yeah, buy your car, okay, and suddenly a policeman comes, okay, and he said that you will have to pay fine, you will have to pay fine because you have broken the limit speed, okay. Suppose the limit is 100 kilometer and you are,
and I exceeded the limit.
yeah,
है ना?
okay, and the person is saying that you will have to pay the challan or the fine of 2000 rupees, okay. So if a corrupt person will be there, okay, and suppose camera is not there because earlier camera did not used to be there, okay, then he will say that if you will take this 2000 rupees, then it will go in the pocket of government, okay. Then I will give you suppose 500 rupees, then you can keep it in your pocket and I will not complain of you. But if the policeman,
I will not complain against you.
yeah, against you, so it is corruption. It is a basic example of corruption, to corrupt the people.
Can there be some benefits of corruption?
No, according to me, there can be no benefit of corruption, and it directly harms our GDP development.
Okay.
And if suppose we had to launch Chandrayaan 3, okay, you know what is Chandrayaan 3, and in the Chandrayaan 3 so many materials were there, okay. So suppose from the company from which India is buying those metals for making Chandrayaan 3, suppose that company had been corrupted, okay, suppose the material is of 1 crore rupees and the company will say that you will have to pay 3 crore rupees for that. So it is a kind of corruption.
And it will harm the country.
It will harm the country's development.
That's what you believe.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, Mr. Vidit. And now, actually, you are trying to cover the topics nicely. Now, I want to know your opinion
Yes.
on happiness.
Happiness, yeah.
Khushi.
Yeah, I
Right?
know.
So, everybody looks for happiness in life.
Yes.
So, what is happiness and how can a person be
Yes.
happy and what makes a person
Yeah.
sad?
Okay. So firstly I want to tell you that there is no particular definition for happiness like corruption and reservation. We have to give our philosophies on happiness. So if I talk about my philosophy, so my philosophy is that happiness is the thinking of the human mind, okay.
It is just the thinking.
Yeah.
You can say it is the state of mind.
Yeah, state of a mind.
तो ये इंसान की एक thinking है बस.
Yes.
Okay, then how can you say that?
Because if and one happiness had been there, then it would be for every people. But different people have different kind of happiness. So that I made this point, happiness is the state of the mind. Yeah.
So different people have
Yeah.
different
Suppose you got 100 marks in your exam and I failed in my exam, then it is the happiness for you. So it is the happiness of your mind, and there is no permanent happiness.
Okay, how can you say that?
Because there is no permanent happiness. Suppose you got 100 marks in your exam, you got out of marks in your exam, then you will be happy. But after 1 month, but after 1 year, you will forget that. But I have repeated for that point. Some happinesses are there that is permanent. I am sorry,
Such
I
as
spoke wrong.
Okay.
Such as suppose we got a lottery,
jackpot.
yeah, jackpot even. So some happiness can be permanent.
So getting the jackpot is a permanent happiness
No, for some people.
for some people.
Yeah, so if I talk about lack of enlightenment.
Lack of enlightenment.
Yeah, now I want to talk about a very important point, lack of enlightenment. And it plays a important role in the topic of happiness.
Okay.
So firstly, you should understand that what is lack of enlightenment.
अर्थात एनलाइटनमेंट की कमी की वजह से लोग
सैड हो जाते हैं, दुखी हो जाते हैं.
Okay.
यस. और कभी कभार खुश भी हो जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर उन्हें आत्मज्ञान की कमी हो तो वो हमेशा दुखी होंगे, कभी कभार खुश भी हो सकते हैं. तो हिंदी जो इस इनलाइटनमेंट के ये है आत्मज्ञान. एंड हियर आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट ज्ञान and the knowledge of science and history. Here I am talking about the Atmagyan. So if I give you an example of Atmagyan, किसी इंसान का मरना. Suppose a person dies, okay, and the person says that another person says that why did you die? You can't leave me. You should have died after 1 month. Then it is irrationality. We can connect lack of enlightenment through irrationality, okay. Now it is the basic tendency of a person to be sad. There is no problem, he is being sad, okay. What if a person is being sad for 1 year, for 2 years, that causes him sadness more, okay. The person is stretching that sadness, okay.
the person is stretching the sadness.
Yeah.
मतलब उसे खींचते चले जाता है।
नो मैं वैसे खींचने की बात नहीं कर रहा, मान लो कोई भी आया उसके बाद
बहुत लंबे समय तक
या
रखता है वो इसे।
Yeah.
ओके, सो पर्सन शुड नॉट बी सैड फॉर
Yeah.
a long time,
Yeah.
right? And because of enlightenment, person becomes sad for
Yeah.
a long time, right?
and if I talk about the happiness,
Hmm.
so as I gave you the example of religion, so it is also a kind of lack of enlightenment in some things of the religion according to me that are irrational, but still people believe in that. So
अच्छा, तुमने शब्द यूज किया irrational।
Yeah.
इसकी हिंदी बता सकते हो?
the thing that has no logic,
Okay.
illogical thing.
Which is illogical।
Yeah.
So that those people have the irrational
या
mentality, right?
एंड ये जो इरेशनल मेंटेलिटी होती है ये कभी कभार हमें हैप्पी भी कर देती है कि मैंने भगवान की पूजा की। मैंने कुछ लोग देखे हैं, सीन सम पीपल दे वर्शिप गॉड एंड दे आर गेटिंग फन इन द वर्शिपिंग।
They are getting peace,
Yeah.
fun. Okay, so if they get fun, so
Yeah.
what's wrong in it? So what
But they are getting fun in
what reason, what objection do you have in this?
because they are getting fun in a irrational thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for you it may be irrational, for them it may be rational.
No, but how can they prove that it is rational?
How can you prove that it is irrational?
Because suppose as I gave you the example, let me give you an example. When Lord Hanuman went for taking Sita from seeing Sita that is she safe or not, okay? Then Lord Ram sent their ring, sent their ring with Lord Hanuman, okay? But when they showed that ring, okay, then Sita believed that you have come from Lord Ram, okay? But still, why did Lord Hanuman could not take Sita?
So you mean to say why did not Lord Hanuman
Yeah.
take
Sita.
Ma with him?
Yeah.
Why didn't he take?
Yeah.
Right? So just on the basis of this, it can be like a kind of a leela. It is kind of a story there.
Okay.
Right. So what's wrong in this if he did not take?
Okay, so you would have heard that Lord Sita was the reincarnation of Lord Lakshmi, okay? Then why could she not be saved from Raman?
Okay. So on these basis,
Yeah.
you actually sometimes have a doubt.
And if God had been there, then from where did Raman come? From where did Kans come?
Okay.
So these are certain points on which I have some questions.
So just because of these questions, these points, do you deny the religion?
No, I don't deny the religion. I believe in God. But certain things are there that creates doubt. That create doubt.
So then you should actually, you can ask the question, I mean, or when you meet any dharma guru.
No, I have never met. And when I asked the question from the follower of the God, then he denied. He said, I don't know, but I will worship.
Okay.
Yeah.
They don't answer.
But I am not considering the whole religion as rational.
Okay. So they don't answer your questions.
I believe in God, okay? I believe in Lord Ram. But I don't believe in that Dharambhajak and those guru are there. They make us fool by the name of religion. But God is there, I believe. And I also believe in law of karma.
That's nice. Okay. Now, Mr. Vidit.
Yes.
I want to know your opinion about love marriage,
Arranged
marriage, and one more thing is there, live-in relationship.
Yes.
So what would you like to say about it?
So firstly, I would like to tell you the meanings of those. Okay. So if I talk about the meanings and definition of those words, so firstly I would like to talk about arranged marriage. That's what is arranged marriage. Okay. So arranged marriage is a condition in which you have to marry a guy and you don't know that guy, okay? Suppose two persons are there, a girl is there and a boy is there, okay? And they love each other, then they married, okay? Then they got married, okay? Then it is known as love marriage. But if they don't know each other, okay? Then they got married, then it is known as arranged marriage. So it is arranged marriage. And in fact, I will also tell you the advantage and disadvantage. So if I talk about love marriage, so what is love marriage? So if the Hindi of love marriage is Prem Vivah. As I told you that if a girl is there and a boy is there, then they got married and they love each other, then it is known as love marriage, okay? And if I talk about live-in relationship, so live-in relationship means a boy is there and a girl is there. They are living like husband and wife, but they have not got married. So it is called live-in relationship.
So is it good or bad?
Yeah, I will tell you. So firstly, I want to talk about arranged marriage, okay? So arranged marriage is good also and bad also, okay? So according to me, although it is bad, because we are marrying with that guy, we don't know that guy, then how can we happy with that guy?
How can we be happy?
Yeah, how can we be happy with that guy? So here love marriage is
But there
better.
are many, your mother and father also must have got that arranged marriage. So
Yeah.
aren't they happy with each other?
No, but I don't know the real, that suppose I love each other, okay?
They
Yeah, they love each other, okay? No, not they. Suppose a guy is there, okay? And another girl is there, and they love each other, but they could not get married, and they got married with another girl and boy. Then how can they be happy? But a person who doesn't have love, he can go through arranged marriage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then they can go through arranged marriage.
But there is advantage in arranged marriage.
What?
You will get help from the side of your family, because according to family and according to society, arranged marriage should not, love marriage should not take place. And if you will go through love marriage, then you are not going to take, or you are not going to be given any kind of help from the side of your family. But in arranged marriage, you will get the support from the side of your family. So it is the biggest advantages of arranged marriage.
Okay.
But this is not there with every family. Any family can be there which believes that we can go through love marriage.
Right.
Yeah. And if I talk about the disadvantages of love marriage, so according to me, that is the disadvantage of love marriage. And if I talk about the disadvantage and advantage of live-in relationship, so the disadvantage is that we can't come in front of everyone, okay? We will have to live covertly, okay?
Covertly.
Yeah, covertly, okay?
हाँ, covertly की हिंदी क्या होती है?
छुप छुप के.
छुप के. Covertly.
या covertly.
Right.
And here my question is that हम कब तक छुप छुप के रह सकते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ? एक ना एक दिन तो हमें सामने आना ही पड़ेगा.
For how long can we?
Yeah, for how long can we live for this, okay? And but it is not there in arranged marriage, okay? And love marriage takes place, okay? Mean if somebody love each other, okay, and they are not allowed to marry, then they will go through live-in relationship. So according to me, that is good even, because they are not allowed to marry with their love, then they will have to go through this. But we can't live covertly for our whole life. So according to me, that is not good. So if I have to conclude, then no doubt love marriage is best.
And how can a girl identify the true love? Because before getting in or before falling in
Yeah.
love, so how can a person identify true love?
Yeah, so you are right, but according to me, live-in relationship can be we can find true love with live-in relationship, because sometimes in love marriage even lust is there. But firstly we should go through live-in relationship for even 1 year. Firstly we should know the person, okay, how the person is, and 1 year or 2 years are enough. Even in the Western culture, you will get live-in relationship for 20 years. But in our Indian culture, according to me, 2 years are enough for knowing each other. And if we observe that he has the feeling of lust, then you should leave that boy or girl.
Okay.
Yes, according to me, that is the conclusion.
So on the basis of this, you mean to say they can find the true love?
Yeah. And it is not necessary that they will be able to find true love. But sometimes they can find.
Sometimes.
Yeah, on my point of view, according to me.
Okay. And let's say apart from this, the word you used, lust, right?
Yes.
Apart from this, what else can be there? I mean, how can a person identify the true love?
No, as I told you, a person can identify a true love from the behavior of that person. And the biggest problem in all the marriages are lust only.
Okay.
So according to me,
Okay, but if the person, let's say, is not lusty, he doesn't
Yeah.
show lust and all, right?
Yeah.
Then would you call it love?
no, I can't call him love.
You can't call it love.
Suppose a girl has so much of property, then might be the case the ulterior motive of that boy is to हड़प ना?
Is to just occupy.
Occupy.
User.
Yeah, usurp the property of that girl.
User. The
Yeah,
property, right?
but lust is the main problem
Okay.
that
But
always
sometimes-
takes place.
Sometimes money can be the reason.
Yes,
behind it.
property.
Property, or sometimes beauty.
Yes, beauty.
If a girl is beautiful,
Yeah.
right?
Then
the
lusty
boy-
feeling will come.
Okay, then the boy falls in love,
Yes.
right? So these are the things that you
Yes.
actually observe
Yeah, in
Right.
those terms.
in this point. Okay.
Okay.
And do you know something about democracy?
Yeah, democracy I know.
What do you know about it?
So if I talk about the Hindi meaning of democracy, so the Hindi meaning of democracy is Loktantra.
Okay.
So there are basically there are 3 terms in democracy: for the people, by the people, and that
Of the people.
of the people, yeah.
Okay. Of the people,
Now,
for the people, by the people.
yeah. So the Hindi meaning of those terms are firstly for the people, लोगों के लिए, by the people, लोगों के द्वारा, and of the people, लोगों का. So you will get these three things in democracy. वो लोगों के लिए है, वो लोगों के द्वारा है, और वो लोगों की है.
Right.
Okay.
So is it an advantage? I mean, has democracy been a success or a failure in India?
Yeah. So according to me, it is, and there is an advantage in democracy.
What is the advantage?
So the advantage is that we are getting emancipation to choose our leader.
मतलब आजादी, right?
Yeah, emancipation,
Okay,
आजादी.
emancipation you are getting.
Yeah.
So you are getting emancipation to
Yeah.
choose a leader, right? So is this a developing country? So because you know you have got democracy in India, so
Yeah.
it should be a developed country.
No, but that is the problem, because in democracy, a leader has to go according to the interest of the people.
Okay, and what is that interest of the people?
Religion.
Oh,
Religion.
so how does it hinder the success?
Because they are giving vote by the name of caste and religion.
Then how can we eradicate it?
No, we can eradicate it by dictatorship.
Why dictatorship? Then on the one hand you are appreciating
Yeah.
democracy.
Yeah.
On the other hand you are trying to apply.
No, although democracy is very good, everything is very good.
डिक्टेटरशिप की हिंदी पता है?
Yeah,
क्या
तानाशाही.
तानाशाही.
But according to me, although dictatorship is very bad. For example, North Korea, the dictator is very bad. Okay.
How can you call him bad? On what basis? What did you hear?
No, I have just seen on YouTube.
You
Because
saw, so what did you see? I'm not saying you where did you see from, but what did you know?
that in the dictatorship there is no democracy.
Right.
The leader will be permanent. Then the leader can do anything in the country.
Okay.
So according to
वंशवाद की राजनीति चलती है in the
Yeah.
politics of inheritance. So
monarchy, like
हाँ, do you like the politics of inheritance?
no.
So it is there in the dictatorship.
Yeah, that's why I don't like.
You don't like it.
But in dictatorship, you know, the leader has to run the country. Then the leader will highly focus on the development of the country.
Okay.
Because every dictators are not like same.
Same, right? That's true. Okay, that is good. So, Mr. Vidit,
Yes.
although right now, as of now, you are going good,
Yes.
I want to know your opinion about FDI.
Okay.
Do you know the full form of FDI?
Yes.
FDI?
Yeah, foreign direct investment.
Okay.
Yes.
Foreign direct investment.
Yeah, so if I talk about FDI, so what is FDI? So FDI is the condition in FDI, foreign companies comes in India for investing their products. So it is FDI.
So is it a benefit for India or is it a disadvantage?
No, it is a benefit for India
How does it benefit?
because we are getting new products.
In India?
Yeah,
So if these foreign companies don't come, then would you not get the products?
No, but you are right, but they have their different material, they have their different mind, but it is also finishing Indian market, according to me.
So don't you think that it is giving the competition to the Indians?
Yeah, it is giving the competition to the Indians, but we Indians are certain lazy, okay?
Lazy?
Yeah. Lazy because according to me, as you know, in the India still not each and every person, but most of the population is using the products of FDI. For example, the foreign companies of eating, the foreign companies of cars, mobile.
But don't you think that they would be earning hell lot of money and they will carry all the money to their own country?
Yeah, so that can be the disadvantage even, but don't forget that those foreign countries are paying us tax.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in order to get the initial money, are you ready to just to pay for that in future? Because
Yes.
they would earn money and carry that money to their own country.
But they are also providing or giving us tax.
Okay, they are providing you tax.
Yeah.
But apart from that, let's say that Indians are there.
Yeah.
But they are getting competition for nothing. Let's say if these companies had not existed, then these Indian companies would have grown faster. So don't you want that your Indian brothers to grow?
No, but sometimes it is also giving employment to the people.
It is giving employment.
Yeah, I have seen many foreign companies, for example, car. I have seen in many foreign car showrooms that Indian people are working. Then is it not providing employment to
But
people?
get employment if Indians would also actually open their own agency or the manufacturing, then they would be employed.
Yeah, so we can also be employed in the Indian market. But if those foreign companies are also opening their market, then what is the problem in it?
The problem is the same. They carry Indian money. They get the, surplus, that you call it bachat, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, they are coming here to earn money. So they would actually carry that money to their own country second.
Yeah.
When they would come in the country, they would be using the resources
Yes.
of India. Then don't you think that one day we would be deprived of the resources
No, you
because
are-
of these other companies?
You are right, I agree with you, but here I want to say that sometimes it is giving employment to the people.
So just on the basis of employment, are you ready to lose the resources of the company? Example, let's say that Pepsi, Coca-Cola,
Yes.
these
Yes.
companies come, right? And when where would they be using the water from? From India?
Yes.
From the earth?
Yes.
Right? And do you know that water level is going down day by day?
So according to
And,
me,
and in lieu of that, what the hell are you getting?
So-
you are getting poison, because do you know these cold drinks, soft drinks,
Yes.
they are poisonous.
yes.
So is it right?
No, but if I talk about the solution of this, then according to me, foreign countries should pay us more tax. The tax should be high.
Then they will not come.
Then they will not come. Then it is the problem of those foreign countries. You are right that it is poison for us. It is not good. But don't you think that there are many Indian products that are not good for us? For example, Desi Sharab is there. It is also not good for us.
So but that is finally, it belongs to India. Okay. That Desi Sharab is there, but that money that is earned by people is still in India. I know that product is pathetic.
Yeah.
Let's say if foreign countries do it,
Yes.
right? First you would get the Desi Sharab, which
Yes.
is pathetic, right?
Yes.
Then second, the money would go back to their countries.
Yes.
So double disadvantage is there. So okay, in the Desi Sharab is there. I know it is disadvantageous.
Yes.
But that at least money is not going out
Yes.
of our country.
Yes.
This is the case.
No, you are right. I agree with you in all the points. I wanted to tell you that sometimes it is providing employment, and because of those foreign countries and because of those foreign companies, our home of a poor person is running.
Okay.
So that is my solution.
Employment is there.
Yes,
So you are highly interested about employment.
yes, because it is a very big advantage for Indians.
Okay. There is poverty in India.
Yes.
So what can be the reason behind poverty?
So if I talk about the reason behind poverty, so unemployment, as you know, unemployment is there, and because of unemployment, poverty is there.
And what is the reason behind unemployment?
So the reason behind unemployment means suppose 100 people are there, okay, and only one small company is there, okay. For example, the population is very high,
Right.
but the resources are very less.
Okay.
So according to me, that is the main reason behind unemployment.
Okay, Mr. Vidit. Actually, it was a nice conversation with you, and you tried to answer my most of the question.
Yeah.
Fine. And it was really lovely talking to you.
Yes.
Okay. And actually, I am looking forward to a great improvement in you. Fine.
Yes, thank
and I
you.
know you have come after a big gap.
Yes.
काफी छुट्टियों के बाद तुम आए हो, right?
Yes.
Okay. And I want to know, आपने जब इंग्लिश को सीखना शुरू किया,
Yes.
इंग्लिश मेनिया में,
Yes.
तो उस समय आपकी कंडीशन क्या थी, आपको याद है?
Yes, I
इंग्लिश के केस
remember.
में?
I was zero in English. I used to know that what is your name.
Okay, you were zero.
Yeah, you
आप
can
zero
say
में
that.
जवाब दे सकते हो, तो आपकी कंडीशन क्या थी?
बहुत बुरी कंडीशन थी.
जीरो से शुरू किया तुमने.
Yeah, that I was not able to talk in
अब
English.
जो नए न्यू कमर्स हैं जो अंग्रेजी भाषा सीखना चाहते हैं,
Yes.
उनको तुम क्या संदेश देना चाहते हो कि
That-
इंग्लिश कैसे आती है और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स कैसे बनते हैं?
That they should work hard and
हिंदी में जब हिंदी में पूछा जाए ना, तब जवाब हिंदी में देते हैं.
उन्हें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. और मैंने देखा है कुछ बच्चे होते हैं वो बस लिखते ही रहते हैं. सो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग, मेरे हिसाब से हमें बस लिखते ही नहीं रहना चाहिए. लिखना तो बल्कि अच्छी बात है, वो चीज़ हमारे पास स्टोर हो रही है, पर वो बस वे किताबों में ही रह जाते हैं.
और आपका जो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है, जो टॉपिक्स हैं, इसके पीछे क्या राज क्या है?
मैं बोलता था यहाँ के.
ओके, बोलते रहने से.
और कुछ लोग होते हैं ये जो टॉपिक्स के पॉइंट हैं, ये जो जितने भी पॉइंट हैं, ये बस किताब में लिखते रह जाएंगे. वो कभी बोल ही नहीं पाएंगे.
और इंग्लिश में ग्रामर और लैंग्वेज कैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग की थी तुमने?
वो तो बोलने से ही होगी.
वो बोलने से होगी,
हाँ,
राइट?
बोलने
तो अगर कोई बच्चा जीरो है तो वो अंग्रेजी सीख सकता है?
वो सीख सकता है, पर वो उस पर डिपेंड करता है.
उस पर डिपेंड करता
या
है.
वो बच्चा कैसा है, उसका वो लेवल कैसा है, वो कितना इंटरेस्टेड है इसमें?
इंटरेस्टेड होना बहुत
हाँ।
जरूरी है.
हाँ.
Okay, fine. So, Mr. Vijay, it was nice talking to you, and
Yes.
I would be touching so many topics in the
Yes.
next video. Okay.
Yes.
And I hope you enjoyed this conversation.
Yes.
Okay, then say bye to all the viewers.
Bye.
Okay, great.
Yes.